This part is to show you how to install the system software on the computer. First, double-click the program icon. Here is the setup interface. Click Next to continue. Select the Start menu folder. Click Next to continue. Choose to create a desktop icon. Click Next to continue. And click Install to get ready installation. Now click Finish to finish installation. Every time we use this system, we need to log in first. Enter the account number and password. Because it is the first time we use this system, first we need to do the system in registration. Click Generate. Here we can see a code consists of letters and numbers. We need to send this code back to the manufacturer. And then the manufacturer will send us a code which also consists of numbers and letters. Then we enter the code received from the manufacturer into the below blank. Now click Register. We can finish system registration. You can also click on Trial Use 30 days to trial use the system before registration. After finish registration, click Exit to exit the interface. Now we need to restart the program. Click Y for Yes to exit the software. Once again, we log in the software. To log in, we need to enter our account number and password. Click Confirm to finish login. For the first time to use this system, we need to create an area code. This code, we need 6 numbers. Here we suggest you to use local postal code. Click Add, finish adding. Please pay attention, this area code cannot be changed anymore. For the first time to use this system, we need to set the basic information of this system. The following parts are going to show you how to use this system. Every time in the beginning, we need to set the basic information. So click Setting of Basic Information on the top. First, we need to set the regional information. Here is the interface of regional information. Just enter what you need. Regional code and the name of the region. Click Add to finish adding. Now let's try again. Click Add to finish adding. If you want to modify the information, just click it and then modify. Click Modify to finish modification, and click Y for Yes to confirm modification. Modify successfully. If you want to delete the information, you need to choose the information and then click Delete. Click Y for Yes to confirm deletion. Delete successfully. Okay, that's the part of setting regional information. Next, I'm going to show you how to set the type of electricity meter. Here is the interface of setting type of electricity meter. We can click the triangle buttons to choose what you want. All this information need to be based on fact. Click Add, finish adding. Let's try again. This time we are going to add a 3-phase meter. Click Add, finish adding. Now we got two types of meters. If you want to modify it, click one information and press the triangle buttons to change what you want to modify. Click Modify to finish modification. Click Y for Yes to confirm to modify. Modify successfully. You can also delete the type of meter. Just choose the type of meter you want to delete, and then click Delete. Press Y for Yes to confirm deletion. Successfully delete. Next, we are going to introduce you how to set the price. Click Setting of Basic Information on the top and choose Price Setting. And then enter the basic information of the price. Click Add. Here is another one. Here is the another one. Click Add, finish adding. If you want to delete one of them, it's quite easy. Choose the one you want to delete, and click the delete button. Then you can delete this type of price. Finally, we are going to introduce how to set the power purchase reminder. Click Setting of Basic Information on the top. Choose Power Purchase Reminder. There are two ways we can select: automatic constant ratio and fixed quantity of electricity. For example, if you choose automatic constant ratio, when there is only 20% of previous electricity quantity left, the warning light will be on. When there is only 10% of electricity quantity left, the meter will cut off the power to remind user to purchase power. If you choose fixed quantity of electricity, that means the warning light will be on when the residual electricity is 50. And the power will be off when it lowers to 30, so that the users can remind it to purchase power. Now we choose automatic constant ratio. Click Save to finish setting. Now we are going to show you the daily business. In daily business, we can open an account, power purchase, remake card, and user administration. First, we are going to show you how to open an account for a new user. To open a new account, we need to insert a new card into the card reader. Now insert a new card. Please make sure the SIM card is on the top. Now we click Open an account. Here is the interface of opening account. Just fill in the blanks of the user. First, we enter the user's name. Choose the name of region. After finish filling all the information of this new user, we click Open Account to finish account opening. Succeed in opening account. Now click Y for Yes to confirm power purchase. And here, if you need to print the power purchase invoice, click Y for Yes. If you don't need the invoice, click N for No. This is the power purchase invoice. Take the card out of the card reader. After opening account, we insert this card into the meter. Now we can use this meter. The next part we are going to show you how to sell the power to an old user. First, we insert the user's card into the card reader. And then we click Power Purchase. Now we click Read Card. Okay, we should make sure reading card back information is correct. And then, now we can sell the power to the user. Just enter the amount the user wants to purchase. Now we click Power Purchase to finish purchasing. Okay, Power Purchase successfully. If you want to print the invoice for the customer, click Yes. If the customer do not need an invoice, click N for No. This is the invoice of the power purchase. Take the card out of the card reader. After power purchase, we insert the card into the meter. And the power in the card will be saved in the meter. Now we are going to show you how to remake a card if the user lost his card or the card is broken. First, we need to insert a new card into the card reader. And then we click Remake Card. This is the interface of remaking a new card. We can search the user in the blank. And then click Inquiry. Here is the user. Double-click the user's information and click Make Card to finish card making. Click Y for Yes to confirm repurchase the card. Remaking card successfully. Now the user can use this new card. Take the card out of the card reader. After card remaking, we insert the remake card into the meter. And this card can purchase power again. If for some reason the meter is broken and the user needs to replace a new meter, here we need to replace the meter. First, click User Administration. And then we find the user who needs to replace the meter. Double-click the information of the user. We can find the Replace Meter button on the right. Click Replace Meter. Here we need to enter the residual amount of the old meter. And then we need to enter the new meter information. Click Replace to finish meter replacement. Click Y for Yes to confirm meter replacement. Now we succeed in replacing the meter. If you want to print the invoice, click Y for Yes. If you do not need to print the invoice, click N for No. This is the power purchase invoice. After meter replacement, we insert the card into the new meter. And now the new meter can be used. Next is about meter administration. We can check and change the meter's data in this function. Click Meter Administration on the left. Enter into the interface. Here we can check the meters on use to be allotted, out of service, and scrapped. Here we mainly to resume allotting the meter. Find the meter which you need to resume allotting. The meter's data is out of service. Here we can see this meter is out of service. If you want to resume the meter, just click and choose it. And then we click the resume button. Click Y for yes to confirm to resume allotting the meter. Successfully resume. Now this meter can be used again. The next part is about user administration. In user administration, you can open an account, check the user, and delete user. If you want to check a user, search the user in inquiry blank, or you can locate a user in region blank. Double-click the information of this user. Here, we can see the user information interface. At this interface, you can modify the user's information and sell the power to the user, or replace meter for the user, or even remake the car for the user. Here we are going to show you how to prepare a special card. Click Prepare Special Card on the top. Now we can see three types of special card. Inquiry card. If you want to read a meter's information, you can insert an inquiry card into the meter, and then the meter's information will be saved in this card. Here is how to make an inquiry card. First, we need to insert a new card, and then we click Prepare Inquiry Card. Here, succeed in Prepare Inquiry Card. And now we are going to show you the second type of special card, reset card. To reset the meter, once you insert the reset cards into the meter will be clicked to 0. All the records inside the meter will be clear. Please pay attention. One reset card for a meter. Now we should enter the meter which needs to be reset. Here we enter the meter's number, and then we click Prepare Reset Card. Succeed in Prepare Reset Card. This is a reset card. This card is used to clear the meter. After insert preset card to the meter, if you need to open a new account, you should insert the reset card. Here we are going to show you how to prepare a preset card. Preset card is to use at the beginning of the installation of the meter. That means the meter is new and blank. To prepare a preset card, we need to insert a new card into the card reader. And then we need to enter the preset quantity of electricity. Now, click Prepare Reset Card. Succeed in preparing preset card. Insert the preset card. Then you can use the preset electricity quantity before opening an account. If the operator realizes that he entered the wrong amount of power purchase, here is how to modify the amount of power purchase. Click User Administration and double-click the user's information. Double-click the user's latest power purchase and read the card. Here we can see, and we need to make sure the card has not been plugged into the meter. Now we exit the interface. Once again, we double-click the record of the latest power purchase. Now we can directly modify the amount of electricity. Click Power Purchase. Click Y for Yes to confirm, modify the amount of electricity. Succeed in Modify Power Purchase Information. Click Y for Yes to print the invoice and click No not to print the invoice. The last part is about system setting. In system setting, you can modify password, add the system user, delete system user. Now, let's try modify the password. Click Modify Password. Here is the interface. Enter the previous password and then enter the new password. Finally, enter the new password again to confirm the new password. Click Confirm to finish modification. Now we are going to show you how to add system users. Click Add Users. And then we enter the new user's name. Now we click the triangle button to choose the user category. Here we got 3 types of users: administrator, who has all the right to operate the whole system. Operator only can sell the power and do inquiry. Statistician can only do statistical inquiry. Just choose the user category you need to add, and then enter the password, and enter the password again to confirm. Finally, click Confirm to finish adding users. Next is about to delete users. Choose the user you want to delete and click Delete. Then you can finish the user deletion. Next part, we are going to show you database operation. Click database operation. You can choose the save path to save setting, backup data. Here you can choose the new save path. Please pay attention. If you choose to restore data, the current system data will be replaced by the previous data. Now we are going to show you how to print and edit the power purchase invoice. Click System Setting on the top and choose Print and Edit. This is an example of power purchase invoice. Now you can start modify the power purchase invoice in this interface. In System Setting, you can also do the system registration.